Hello student, this is exercise 1.2. In this exercise, we will see how to find the area of sector and the length of the arc. In the 10th standard, you have applied the formula, that is theta upon 360 into pi r square. Now here we will apply the formula, that is 1 upon 2 r square into theta. And to find out the length of the arc, at that time in the 10th standard, we apply the formula theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. Now here we will apply the formula, that is S is equals to, that is the length of the arc is equals to r into theta. Now we'll here also see to find out the area of sector and the area of segment. Now let us start. Now find the length of an arc of a circle which subtends at an angle of 108 at the center if the radius of the circle is 15 centimeter. Now here r is equals to 15 centimeter, theta is equals to 108. Therefore, convert it in the radian, that is 108 into pi upon 180. Pi upon 180 radian, that is equals to 3 pi by 5 radian. Therefore, 3 upon 5 into 22 upon 7 radian is equals to 66 upon 35 radian. And the length of arc, that is S is equals to r theta, that is equals to 15 into 66 upon 35. And therefore, the answer is that is 9 into 22 upon 7, that is equals to 9 pi centimeter. The radius of a circle, second problem, is 9 centimeter. Find the length of an arc of this circle which cut off a chord of length equal to the length of a radius. It means that we get the equilateral triangle there. That is, the length of the chord is equals to the radius of the circle. Therefore, r is equals to 9 centimeter. Theta is equals to 60 each angles of the equilateral triangle. Therefore, length of arc is equals to r theta. That is 60 upon 60 into pi upon 180 radian, that is the pi by 3 radian. Again, the length of the arc is r theta. Now substitute the value. The radius is 9 and the theta is a pi by 3 and overall it comes. Now the next is find the angle in degree subtended at the center of a circle by an arc whose length is 15 centimeter if the radius of the circle is 25 centimeter. Now here length of the arc, that is a 15 centimeter, r is equals to 25 centimeter. S is equals to r theta. Therefore 15 is equals to 25 into theta, that is theta is equals to 3 upon 5. That is a 3 upon 5 radian. Then that is a 3 upon 5 into 180 upon pi. And that angle comes to me, that is a 108 upon pi degree, or 34.40 degree. Now the next problem. A pendulum of the length 14 centimeter oscillates through an angle of 18 degree. Find the length of its path. That is r is equals to 14 centimeter, theta is equals to 18, s is equals to r theta. Therefore, theta radian is equals to, convert this angle degree to the radian in the radian. That is 18 into pi upon 180. That is equals to pi upon 10 radian. Therefore, S is equals to r theta. Now substitute the values. That is 7 upon 5 into 22 upon 7. That is equals to 22 upon 5. That is S is equals to 4.4 centimeter. Next is two arcs of the same length subtend an angle of the 60 degree and the 75 at the center of the two circles. What is the ratio of the radii of two circles? Now first is S1 is equals to R1 theta 1 and S2 is equals to R2 theta 2. Now S1 upon S2 is equals to R1 theta 1 upon R2 theta 2. I have taken the ratio of, that is the ratio is S1 upon S2. Therefore, if you substitute the answer, that is S1 upon S2 is equals to 60 R1 upon 75 R2, but S1 is equals to S2, that is R1 upon R2. The ratio of the first to the second is 5s to 4. In that R1s to R2 is 5s to 4 or R2s to R1 is. The area of the circle is 25 square centimeter. Find the length of its arc subtending an angle of 144 at the center. Also find the area of the corresponding sector. That is, area of the circle is 25 pi square centimeter. Therefore, the value of the R is 5 centimeter. Now see this, the sector, the angle is 144 and radius is 5 centimeter. Length of arc is equals to r theta. That is, the value of the theta is in the radian. That is 144 into pi upon 180. That is 5 pi by 4 pi by 5. S is equals to r theta. That is a 5 into theta. That is a 4 pi by 5. 5 get cancelled. You are getting the 4 pi. That is a centimeter, which is the length of the arc. I forget to write it a unit. Area of the sector is equals to 1 upon 2 r square theta. That is 1 upon 2. Substitute the values of the radius. That is a 5 square into 4 pi upon 5. And it comes, that is a 25 into 4 pi upon 5, and that is equals to 10 square centimeter. This is the area of the sector. Now the start problem number 7. OAB is a sector of the circle having center at O and the radius 12 centimeter. If angle AOB is equals to 45 degree, find the difference between the area of sector OAB and the area of triangle AOB. Now see this here. This is the circle with the center O, OA, OB. These are the radius. Join AB. AD is perpendicular to OB and the angle is 45. Angle AOB. In triangle AOD, sine of 45 is equals to opposite side upon hypotenuse, that is AD upon OA, AD upon 12, OA is a 12 and sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Therefore 1 by root 2 is equals to AD upon 12. Therefore AD is equals to 12 upon root 2. Now again we will simplify here, that is multiply the numerator and the denominator by root 2, that is rationalize the denominator to the denominator, root 2 into root 2, that is 2, that is a 12 root 2 upon 2, that is a 6 root 2. AD is a 6 root 2. The height of the triangle OAB. Now we'll find out the area of the triangle. Area of triangle AOB is equals to 1 upon 2 OB into AD. That is 1 upon 2, 12 into 6 root 2. That is 6 into 6 root 2, that is a 36 root 2 centimeter square. Therefore, this is the area of the triangle, 36 root 2 cm square. Now seeing this, therefore area of sector OAB is equals to 1 upon 2 r square into theta. That is 1 upon 2, the value of the r is a 12 into 12 and the theta is 45. That is 72 into pi upon 4. That is a 18 pi centimeter square. Therefore, the required area is equals to 18 pi minus 36 root 2. In this way, we can take 18 common, 18 in bracket, pi minus 2 root 2 centimeter square. Therefore, the difference between area of sector OAB and area of triangle, that is area of sector and area of triangle, and small mistake is there, area of sector and area of triangle, that is 18 pi, 18 in bracket pi minus 2 root 2. There must be the 2 times repeated I had, that is another place there is a triangle OAB. Now the problem number 8. OPQ is the sector of a circle having center at O and radius is, that is a 15 centimeter. If measure of angle POQ is equals to 30 degree find the area enclosed by arc PQ and chord PQ. This is nothing but the area of the segment. That's also you have learned in the 10th standard. Now see this circle. O is center. P and Q are the points on the circle. This is the required area that I had shaded it. This area we want to find out. Again, draw the perpendicular from Q on OP, that is a QR. 15 centimeter is the radius and measure of angle is 30 degree. Here OP is equals to OQ is equals to R is equals to 15 centimeter. Also measure of angle POQ is equals to 30 degree. Therefore, this 30 degree will convert into the radian, that is the pi upon 180, and that is equals to pi radian, pi by 6 radian. Now see this. Now area of sector OPQ is equals to 1 upon 2 r square into theta, that is 1 upon 2 15 square into theta means what, pi by 6, that is a 75 pi by 4 square centimeter. QRB perpendicular from Q to OP, meeting it at the point R, then length of QR is equals to 1 upon 2 OQ, that is the radius of the circle, and side opposite to angle 30 is half of the hypotenuse, that is 15 upon 2. Therefore, area of triangle OPQ is equals to 1 upon 2 base into height, that is 1 upon 2 15 into QR, which is 15 upon 2, that is a 25 upon 4. Square centimeter. Hence, area between arc PQ and chord PQ is equals to area of sector minus area of triangle. Area of sector OPQ minus area of triangle OPQ, that is a 75 pi upon 4 minus 225 by 4. Therefore, we'll take the 225 as a common, upon 4 as a common, then in bracket you will get pi by 3 minus 1 square centimeter. That is a 225 by 4 in bracket pi by 3 minus 1 square centimeter. This is the required area. Now next problem, number 9. The perimeter of sector of a circle of area 25 pi square centimeter is 20 centimeter. Find the area of the sector. Now let radius of the circle be r. Therefore pi r square is equals to 25 pi r square is equals to 25. Therefore r is equals to 5 centimeter. Now perimeter of the sector. Now see this 20 centimeter. These are two radius and this is the arc. That is the sum of these two, r plus s. This is the perimeter of the sector. R plus s. That is a s plus 2r is equals to 20. Now we know the radius. Substitute the values. That is s plus 10 is equals to 20. Therefore s is equals to 20 minus 10. That is s is equals to 10 centimeter. This is the length of the arc. Therefore s is equals to r theta. That is a 10 is equals to 5 into theta. Therefore theta is equals to 1 upon, that is a 2 radian. Now the area of sector is equals to 1 upon 2 r square theta. That is equals to 1 upon 2 5 square into 2. That is a 25 square centimeter. This is the area of sector. Now the last problem. The perimeter of the sector of the circle of area 64 pi square centimeter is 56 centimeter. Find the area of sector now see this. From the area of the circle we will find out the radius of circle, and from the perimeter we will find out theta. Therefore r square is equals to 64, r is equals to 8 centimeter. Now again perimeter of sector. Now by using the same formula, this is S R R. Therefore S, that is the perimeter, is 56 centimeter. S plus R is equals to 56. S plus 2R is equals to 56. And therefore the value of the R, that is S plus 2 into 8 is equals to 50. S plus 16 is equals to 56. Therefore S is equals to 56 minus 16, that is a 40 centimeter. Now here also S is equals to r theta, r is 8 and theta. Therefore theta is equals to 5 radian. Now we'll find out the area of the sector, that is 1 upon 2 r square into theta. That is equals to 1 upon 2 x square into 5 radian, 64 into 5, that is a 32, and that is equals to 160 square centimeter. That is equals to 160 square centimeter. In this way, we have completed the chapter number 1, and that is the exercise also 1.2 is also completed. Now if you have any doubt, then write in the comment box. I hope that you had understood all the concept, whatever that I had explained. Now we'll see in the next video. Till then, goodbye. In this way, we have completed exercise 1.2. I hope that you have understood all the problems, whatever that I had explained. If you have any doubt, write in the comment section. And if you are new for this channel, then subscribe it. If you like it, then like it and share it with your needy friends. Now we'll see in the next video. Till then, goodbye.